to your view trending news update from NaijaNews TV. Here are the headlines. Tinubu depart Abuja for private visit to France. Oshiomhole insists retired general connive with foreigners to steal solid minerals. Monarch remanded in prison till bail conditions are met. Now the news in detail. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has left Nigeria for Paris, France on a private visit ahead of his scheduled attendance at the African Union Summit in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, according to the Special Advisor to the President on Information and Strategy, Bayo Onanuga. Tinubu will use the opportunity of his stay in France to meet with the French President, Emmanuel Macron. Although details of the private visit remain undisclosed, after his visit to Paris, President Tinubu will proceed to Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, to participate in the 46th Ordinary Session of the Executive Council and the 38th Ordinary Session of the Assembly of AU Heads of State, scheduled to hold from February 12 to 16, 2025. Onanuga in a statement confirmed the itinerary. He added, the President will arrive in Addis Ababa early next week for the African Union Summit. As the chairman of ECOWAS, Tinubu is expected to play a significant role in deliberations on security, economic integration, and regional stability, especially in the light of recent political crisis in West Africa. In other news, Oshiomhole, chairman of the Senate Committee on Interior, has doubled down on his allegation that some retired military generals in conveyance with foreigners are stealing Nigeria's solid minerals. Oshiomhole clarified his initial claim on a Rice TV primetime show on Tuesday, February 4, 2025, saying he did not accuse all retired generals of illegal mining but some of them. He said it is not sensible to say all retired generals are involved in the illegal mining of Nigeria's natural resources. Oshiomhole said his claim is based on the report of a retired general who witnessed foreigners stealing solid minerals in the country in conveyance with some retired generals. He said he asked the retired general who narrated the story to write a 2 or 3 page report on the matter, which he submitted to former President Muhammadu Buhari. He maintained that illegal activity of such magnitude would not be going on in the country without some powerful people knowing about it. And lastly for tonight, the suspended traditional ruler of Orile-Ife, Oba Abdulsemiu Ogunjobi, has been remanded at the Ilaro Correctional Center in Ogun State after failing to meet his bail conditions. The spokesperson for the correctional facility, Yinka Odukoya, confirmed this to Punch Online on Wednesday, stating that the monarch remanded in custody as he had yet to perfect his bail. Odukoya said, yes, he is in our custody, which means he has been unable to meet the bail conditions granted by the court yesterday. However, as soon as he does, he will be released. The Ogun State Police Command had on Tuesday arraigned the suspended monarch over a viral video in which he was seen assaulting a 73-year-old man, Abraham Areola. According to the charge, the suspended monarch was accused of conspiracy, assault, and conduct likely to cause a breach of peace. The accused, who appeared before Magistrate F.A. Roko, pleaded not guilty to the charges against him. However, NaijaNews reported that the court granted him bail with 2 sureties in the sum of 5 million naira each, who must reside within the court's jurisdiction. And that ends the news tonight. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.